Hello everyone, welcome to this new video talking about Tutorialspoint. I am going to give a short introduction about this website and tells you something different about the others who are talking about this platform. They are saying that this platform is only for the study purpose, but I am going to show you something different in this video. As you can see on the title, they are having freelancers jobs and home basis freelancing jobs. So keep you watching me if you want to know more about this platform. So firstly, let's have a short introduction. Tutorialspoint is one of the best websites available for online education, and they are having excellent talented people who are doing their own how to say tutors or their videos or their books to explain the basic computer science technologies and the difference between them and all related to that. I am also going to make some tutorial in the website to show you how you can book for your online job over there. Yeah, you can also work as a teacher or as a tutor in this platform, and let's go. Welcome back to see the Tutorialspoint website and how to apply for the jobs there. First of all, you go to tutorial.com and then you're gonna find the first page of the website. Okay, as I already told you, they have library, courses, ebooks, prime packs. We can have look here. So these are all the packs, packages, academic, data analytics, computer science, all the related files, databases, digital marketing, everything, engineering, monuments, and everything here you can find. Okay, let's go back. Here are the courses. As you can see here, there are so many files, IT, teaching academics, marketing, development, and all related to that. So the courses are quite cheap and not, there are some which are cheap and others that are quite normal according to others platforms. For example, here you can study about the Docker and Kubernetes, okay, about the with the $9.99. They are having some offs here. Okay, we can go back. Also, we have some ebooks. So as you can see, all the categories are listed here. Okay, about the price, languages, and everything. As you can see, all the books are available. Okay, so here, as you can see, about us, terms of use, cookies, teach with us. So the different thing which I am going to mention in this video is this one. You can teach online in this company as well as you took your career, maybe ebooks or some packages about the basic applied science of computer. Okay, here are some informations. Earn money every time a student purchases your course. Get paid monthly through PayPal or directly in your bank if your bank is in India. So they support Indian bank because this company is an Indian, so they pay by PayPal or Bank of India. Some questions and answers. So let's talk about the application or how to become an instructor. Here are the details. You can select the topic of your curriculum of your choice, start recording your new course, or you can publish your pre-existing courses as well. You can sign up or sign in with us, with the company, to access your other dashboard, create your course draft, and everything related to that. You can upload your videos, for moderation. And they say that your author profile is the key to attracting more students. So they require to upload profile picture and write a bio about yourself if you are willing to teach in this platform. And you can as well contact them with the email address which is linked here. So I think it is a quite easy and quite good process to just follow and get some extra money income in your finances. So I think it's all about today. Hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Okay, so it's about the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Please like this video, share with your friends or anyone who is interested about this topic. Subscribe to my channel to support me for more videos. Thank you so much and see you. Bye.